Welcome. In today's video we're replacing the engine air filter on my 2017 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack. This is the Mk7 Golf. There were a few different cars in this family. In Europe they had these guys from 2012 till 2020. Here in the States they started in 2015 and ended in 2021. To swap out this filter, you have 8 T20 fasteners to loosen up. We'll zip those out. 8 of these little buggers. As you loosen them, they'll come up and just kind of spin. They end up being retained within that upper housing of the air cleaner assembly. To do this swap out, you'll notice there's other things that are attached to the upper assembly. You don't necessarily need to remove all of them. At this point, you can bring your upper housing up like so. Grab your filter there, bring it out. I've got a washable K&N in mine. I like these filters, but I have the tendency to wait too long to clean them. Now, to put the new filter in or to return your washable, slide it back in like so. So yeah, I did to get that filter all cleaned up. Was not going to leave the dirty filter in there. Slide that back in there. There we go. Move your upper housing back into place, and then those work your way around and zip those T20s back in place, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I'll post a link to the part number of the K&N that I use in the links below. Like, follow, all that great YouTube-y stuff. Thank you. Goodbye. Well, this is a Buc-ee's.